As you can see here, I opened the link for VirtualBox download and choose Windows Host for its platform packages and waited for a few seconds to download it. After that, the download is complete. I opened the file for installing the VirtualBox and next all it and yes, and install it in the computer. After that, I waited to load the package in order to install the VirtualBox. After it's finished, I click the finished and the VirtualBox will load and I open it. After this, I go to the Ubuntu link where we will be downloading the Ubuntu file that we will use and open at the VirtualBox. I waited for several minutes for it to finish as it is a huge file that we will be downloading.
After I download the Ubuntu disk, proceed to VirtualBox and select the new, type the name Ubuntu 20.04 and type, change it to Microsoft Windows and proceed to the next. Hardware, put in 3440 and virtual hard disk, put in 9.99 gigabytes. After a few minutes, go to settings and find the storage and click that empty and find the Ubuntu download. After you find it, and click the OK, and next is start it, and that's it. Thank you for watching.